Hey guys, welcome to Gentech Reviews, and today we'll be looking at the unboxing of the us-wahl Lead Pro clippers, which is a professional quality haircutting kit mainly designed for home use. So let's get to it. Here us-wahl says that Lead Pro has their most powerful and durable motor which can last for a long time. The machine also comes with self-sharpening blades, which mean blades can stay sharp for much longer time. There are also 10 secure fit guide combs with metal clips, which are good for cutting different hair size. And guys, if you like this video and want to get notified in the future of similar videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's see on the side of the box and what they got there. Again, we can see that they are mentioning about the blades and they are capable of cutting hairs 40% faster when compared to their standard us-wahl precision blades. The machine also comes with an adjustable taper lever that makes it easy to fade and blend off hairs without using the guide combs. The motor has 15% more power in comparison to us-wahl's premium power drive motor. On the back of the box, we can pretty much see what comes in the box. So the package comes with a cape. Dimension wise, it's 28 by 40 inches. As I said earlier, it has 10 guide combs which allow easy different size hair cutting. It also comes with scissor cover and clipper blade cover, just so it can protect the blades from damage, especially while in transport. It also comes with a cleaning brush and a blade oil to keep the machine in good condition for a longer period of time. Other than that, the box I'm holding can also be used as storage for the machine. It feels sturdy and of good quality. Let's hope the machine feels the same as well. Comb and scissors are also included in the kit. Before we move to the unboxing of the clippers, I just wanted to show all the sizes of 10 guide combs. They're shown in the few different measurements. Basically, sizes goes from 1.5 millimeter all the way up to 25 millimeter. On this side of the box, basically it shows that guide combs are 70% stronger than the standard us-wahl guide combs. All the guide combs are marked with easy to read comb sizes and use stainless steel clips to attach securely with the clippers. So let's unbox it and see how all the stuff looks like. So it comes with a product guide, or you can say as a user guide. Here it basically shows you how to start using the product. So you must oil the clippers, run it and wipe off the excess oil after 30 seconds. It also shows you the instruction on how to clip the guide combs on the clippers. And again, the sizes of guide combs. The other side of the guide shows the basic instruction on how to start cutting the hairs. Basically, if you never done that before, so it could be useful to get started. Safety instruction and product warranty booklet is also included in the box. So this is the cape, which is 28 by 40 inches, which I think will be a bit smaller for an adult person, but should be good enough for a child of like 10-12 years old. So it's just really to get you started for cutting, but you have to buy something if you want a proper cape. So it does also comes with a small bag, which is basically a bag for all the small parts like attachments for the clipper, for example the guide combs, as well as for the scissors and the comb itself. So next I can see the bag of all the 10 guide combs that I've mentioned earlier on. I think the quality of the guide combs are really good, and they feel sturdy and of a premium quality. Here I've also included the picture of the clippers itself and also all the 10 guide combs included in the package. I've taken this image from Amazon page just for a visual purpose to show the machine, and guide comes with size included in the pack. So here we can see the clippers itself. It feels very good in hands. It feels premium and sturdy. Here it has the power button. It comes with a blade cover. It looks good. However, one thing to mention here is the body seems very prone to catching the fingerprints, especially on the chrome element of the clippers. I think they will get fingerprint very easily. Here you can see me adjusting the taper lever of the machine, which is very smooth in my opinion. It looks good and feels good in hands. So here is some other stuff that's included in the box. It comes with oil and a small brush to clean the clipper's head. The comb is included as well as with scissors, which comes with security cover. Last is the zip tie to keep the clipper cord tidy. The storage box also feels very good and sturdy. It's flexible, so I think it will last long. Next, let's plug in the machine and see how it sounds like. Here, it's not too bad. I would say it's reasonably quiet for a clippers like this type. Here you can also see how the guide combs are changed. They feel very strong and easy to change. Taper lever can also be changed on the go, so you don't have to stop and start the machine again. Which is a very good point here. Here you can see the information about the clippers, all about operating power and all. Other than that, the cord itself also feels just good like as the machine. It looks like a very good and well made product overall. I've used this once. It was really good and easy to cut hairs with it. I just hope it will last longer as well. So in my opinion, they are a good quality clippers given the cost, which was around £50 when I paid for them. So guys, yeah, this was the unboxing and review of us-wahl Elite Pro clippers. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of the new videos posted on this channel. Also, please let me know if you have any question regarding the machine. I'll be happy to answer them. Also, any suggestion, please feel free to add them in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them. Again, thanks for your time, and don't forget to watch my other video. Thank you.